Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Back up everything now to an external drive or cloud. Next, confirm the SSD form factor 2, 5 SATA or M, 2 NVMe, because compatibility dictates the installation path. Once done, power down and unplug, then ground yourself with an anti-static strap. Remove the back panel using the right screwdriver. Make sure to keep screws organized. If cloning the old drive, connect the new SSD via a USB to SATA or NVMe adapter, so you can copy the OS before swapping hardware. Now you either clone or install directly. If cloning, run your chosen cloning tool, pick the source drive and the new SSD as target, and include the boot partition. Use sector by sector if sizes differ. Once the image is ready, shut down and remove the adapter. For physical installation, position a 2. 5. Drive into the caddy or insert an M. 2 at a 30 degrees angle and press down to screw it in. Make sure connectors are fully seated. Then replace internal brackets and keep screws snug, not over-tightened. Finish by reconnecting power, then boot into BIOS or UEFI immediately. Set the new SSD as the primary boot device and confirm SATA mode is OSI for best performance. If the system fails to boot, shut down and reseat the drive and any cables, verify the BIOS boot order, and ensure the clone included the EFI/boot partition. Also check partition alignment. Once booted, run the OS disk check and install the SSD firmware update. If performance or recognition problems persist, try a secure erase and reclone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.